What's up? I'm going to be doing a review on my Zippo lighter. This is the premium fluids that I got for it. And the Zippo box. Let's see, made in USA. Zippo Manufacturing Company in Pennsylvania. Made in USA again. Alright. Look out for a new butane lighter. Well, let's close that box right back up. Let's see here. Matte black, hazardous, and hazardous. So Zippo $24.95 right there. I don't know any tricks. I just collect them. I don't do much with them. It says right here on the bottom, Bradford, PA, made in USA, Zippo. Let's try. There you go. Empty cartridge. For best results, use Zippo Flints and Fluids. Made in Zippo, USA. Okay, keep away from children. After filling, wipe lighter and hand before lighting. Lighter does not self-extinguish. Close lid to put it out. One more time, I'll just do that for you. See the fire. Close it. And that's it. Thanks for joining. This is Zippo.